Welcome to the Helios bolt track assembly video presented to you by Architectural Fabrication. Place all 4 pieces of gutter fascia on a workstation with the gutter down and miter cuts facing inward. Orient the material with the front and back gutter facing each other and both sides facing each other. Measure each piece end to end to verify that the material lengths are correct. Slide the needed quantity of square head bolts into the slots of each gutter. Measure out the support arm locations on both the front and back gutters and mark on the top of the gutters. Install the support angles onto the bolts, add the flat washer, and lock washer and loosely hand tighten the nut. Install the corner angles onto the bolts on the front and back gutters. Add the flat washers and lock washers and loosely hand tighten the nuts. Attach the gutter sides to the front and back gutters by installing the corner angles onto the bolts. Add the flat washers and lock washers and loosely hand tighten the nut. Insert the 2x2 support arm tubes in between the support angles in both the front and back gutter. Bolt the angles and tube together. Add washers and tighten the nut with an impact driver, ratchet, or wrench. Slide the support arms to the correct locations and tighten the nuts to the gutter with an impact driver, ratchet, or wrench. Square up all 4 corners of the canopy using a tape measure and a square. Tighten the nuts at the corner to the gutter with an impact driver, ratchet, or wrench. If you are cutting the scupper holes in the shop using the knockout tool, do this now as you won't have access after the deck pans are installed. You should also drill the scupper mounting holes at this time using the drill template. Check the complete canopy for square. Seal the inside of all 4 corners with the silicone sealant. Install the first deck pan by aligning the turned out leg flush to the side gutter and center the deck pan within the 2 gutters. Screw deck pan into the lip of the gutter. Lock together and screw to the gutter the remaining deck pans, one at a time. This concludes this video, presented to you by Architectural Fabrication. For more install videos, please visit our website.